If you've ever felt boxed in by the size of your rooms, you're not alone. Many of us have grappled with the challenge of making small spaces seem larger. But what if we told you that the solution lies not in the size of the room, but in its design? Today, we're going to share 7 interior design ideas that can transform your rooms, making them appear more spacious and welcoming. Interior design and decoration play a pivotal role in creating an illusion of spaciousness in small rooms. It's not just about the physical dimensions of a space, but how the human eye perceives it. And sometimes, a few strategic changes can make all the difference, turning a cramped room into a comfortable living area. So, whether you're a seasoned homeowner or just starting to explore the world of interior design, these tips and tricks will give you a fresh perspective on how to maximize your living space. Let's dive into a world where size doesn't define comfort or style. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we turn your space into a haven. The first idea to consider is the use of light colors. Light colors have a unique way of making rooms feel more open and airy. They reflect light, bouncing it around the room to create an inviting, expansive ambiance. Now, let's delve a bit into the psychological aspect. Colors have a profound effect on our perception. Light colors, for instance, are often associated with openness and freedom. They give the illusion of pushing back the walls, making the room appear larger than it actually is. This is particularly beneficial for compact spaces where every inch counts. Imagine stepping into a room with light-colored walls, light furniture, and soft pastel accessories. The room instantly feels welcoming, spacious, and less cluttered. It is as if the room breathes with you, offering a sense of calm and serenity. So, a lighter palette can be your secret weapon to a seemingly larger room. Another idea is strategic furniture placement. It's astounding how a simple rearrangement of furniture can transform a cramped space into an open, welcoming room. The trick is to create unblocked pathways. You see, when you walk into a space, your eyes naturally follow the paths available. So if your furniture is arranged in a way that allows for clear, open routes, your room will instantly feel larger. But here's a crucial point. The size of your furniture matters too. Oversized furniture, no matter how you arrange it, will always make a room feel smaller. So, be mindful of the scale of your room when choosing furniture. Opt for pieces that fit comfortably within the space without overwhelming it. Remember, your furniture should complement the room, not overpower it. It's all about balance. And with smart furniture placement, you can maximize your space and style. Our third and fourth ideas involve mirrors and multifunction furniture. Delving into the world of illusions, mirrors can be your best friend. By reflecting light and duplicating spaces, mirrors trick the eye into perceiving a larger area. Place them opposite windows or light sources to amplify the effect. Now let's talk about multifunction furniture. Imagine a coffee table that unfolds into a dining table, or a bed that transforms into a desk during the day. These ingenious pieces not only reduce clutter, but also free up space, making your room appear larger. They are the embodiment of the saying, "Less is more." So, whether you're living in a compact apartment or simply want to make the most of your space, incorporating mirrors and multifunction furniture can make a huge difference. Mirrors and multifunction furniture are not just practical, but also stylish ways to enhance your space. Our final 3 ideas revolve around vertical space, curtains, and lighting. Let's start with vertical space. Ever thought about directing the gaze upward? By using tall bookshelves, hanging art high, or installing high shelves, you can create the illusion of a larger room. It's a simple trick that can have a dramatic impact. Next, let's talk about curtains. Floor-to-ceiling curtains can do wonders for your space. They create an illusion of height and grandeur, making your room look taller and more spacious. Choose light, airy fabrics to keep the room feeling open and welcoming. Lastly, we have lighting. Never underestimate the power of good lighting. It can transform a room, making it feel larger and more inviting. Use multiple light sources to eliminate dark corners. Consider using dimmers to adjust the mood and perceived size of the room. With these tips, you can turn even the smallest room into a spacious sanctuary. So there you have it, 7 interior design ideas to make your rooms look bigger. We've explored how the careful use of light colors can open up a space, and how strategic furniture placement can maximize the effectiveness of your room's layout. We also delved into the world of mirrors and multifunction furniture, 2 powerful tools in the designer's arsenal for creating the illusion of more space. And finally, we took a look at how taking advantage of vertical space, using curtains wisely, and manipulating lighting can all contribute to making a room feel larger than it is. Remember, Interior design isn't just about making a space look good. It's about using creativity and strategy to shape how that space feels. By implementing these tactics, you can transform your home into a place that feels spacious, inviting, and comfortable. What do you think of these ideas? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home design inspiration.